I said stop slurping.
All right, okay.
I said stop slurping.
Oh!
When I come in here, you keep your eyes on that TV, boy.
Man, shut the fuck up, bro.
You shut the fuck up.
Mama, take you to that.
Hello? Oh wait, hang on.
Better reception.
Oh, you did? I'm gonna kick your ass.
Presents, as in give presents.
Present just always present with us.
I'm always fucking present. I'm fucking two fucking presents.
What are you doing? Are you fucking...
Because you had to talk to me and I had to turn around to answer you.
Dude, last night I told you I needed to go to Home Depot to get me 20 bags of fucking salt.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?